as a tech worker, we're normally known as being nerds and weak. That's not true. We could be both intelligent and strong as well. I was in the gym earlier today and I saw this couple, and the man, his arms were as big as his wife's arms. I don't know how he felt about it. Sometimes when my arms are out of shape, they're skinny, I would feel self-conscious, I would have anxiety. I wouldn't feel like a man. I would feel weak. And I think that people would see that. They would see it in my mind and also physically as well, that I'm not taking care of myself. And as a man, if I feel weak, I can't lead a good life, I can't prosper, I can't be victorious. And for healthcare in general, to be healthy with your diet, your sleep, your program, your exercise, your routines, basically, the things that you're doing, your meditations, your journaling, it is important to have a good program and to reprogram yourself to replace the bad habits with better habits, to build trust with the self, build trust with other people, to be reliable, and also to be a better speaker with myself, because I know when I lack speaking skills, when I'm not warm, I feel self-conscious. I'm thinking, did I say that correctly? How is my tone? What do people think about how I speak? And that's why I am trying to improve my communication with myself, because in terms of fitness, everything starts in the mind first. That I have to have goals to embrace life so that I have objectives, that I am writing out certain goals that I want to accomplish. For example, for me, I wanted to get shredded for the summertime. I got a coach and I put in the work. I go to the gym twice a day. My diet is on point for the most part. And I felt my mental health has improved, because then I could be proud of myself. I could be happy about myself. My arms look pretty nice. I'm stronger, more flexible. I'm more social and I'm more outgoing. And it's easy to talk to people in the gym when you're in a good state, when you're looking good. It's something called the halo effect that Brandon Carter talks about, where if somebody is good looking, they're happy, people will treat them better. Because if I am treating myself better, then other people can treat me better. If I don't respect myself, in all honesty, nobody can respect me if I don't respect myself. Because if I say I'm ugly, I'm short, or I'm out of shape looking like this, then nothing anybody says to me will matter. Because it's how I think and how I feel in my heart. I think for tech workers, you guys need to get a standing desk so that you could stand up, you could sit down. A standing desk treadmill would be cool. And that would allow you to drop 200 to 300 calories in a day, depending on how often you walk. Also, just going out for a walk to seeing the sun, I think that it would make you feel better and it would make you feel more happier. You would get fresh air. You would be enjoying the scenery, to have gratitude and appreciation. Also, proper sleep. If you guys are lacking in sleep, it will make you feel groggy and depressed, and it affects your mood. It makes you more hungry if you have less sleep, because then you're stressed out. Body wants to hold on to the reserves. If you're getting 6 to 8 hours of sleep, then your metabolism will be better. You're going to be burning more calories. I got this Whoop app to track my sleep, and I noticed when I was getting 5 hours of sleep, my calories would be less, about 500 to 700 calories less burnt in a day, versus if I was getting optimal sleep. Also, be aware of how you're thinking in your mind. Do you believe that you could do it? Do you feel worthy of experiencing the greatest things that life has to offer you? How are your environment, such as your friends, your family, your internal thoughts, how you feel? They all have to come from optimism and gratitude. I appreciate the sun. I appreciate this day because I know tomorrow isn't promised. I also noticed that when I was out of shape, my skin was real bad. I had a lot of acne, I had blackheads, I had bags underneath my eyes, and it made me feel self-conscious. It made me feel ashamed of myself. I wanted to hide. I didn't even want to go out. I didn't want to speak to other men and women. I wasn't open to creating friend groups. And now that I'm getting better sleep, the bags are reduced, blackheads are reduced, my skin is more clear, my jawline is more chiseled, because before I was 170 and my face, it was fat. My cheeks were fat, you could tell, and it looked very unattractive. And I also, my family and my friends, they told me that your face is fat or you have acne. That's a part of Asian culture, they'll tell you. They don't care about your feelings. But as I started working out, I noticed I lost fat in these two areas, and it looks kind of weird. I'm not sure if it's attractive or not. I would just have to get used to how it looks and how it makes me feel. Also, my love handles, I couldn't stand because they reminded me of muffin tops. And now I am able to take my shirt off and feel like a superhero, because when you look at Superman, you're going to see a fit guy, and you should also try and be fit as well. Why not? Because he would feel proud, he would feel strong, he would have a lot of confidence, and I should have those things as well. Before, I felt low energy. When I was out of shape, I felt brain fog. I felt like I didn't know what I was doing, honestly. And when I got my coach and then I had structure, a game plan, I just felt more clarity and more patience, more gratitude. I was feeling uplifted. I was feeling more manly. The gym, it solves a lot of problems. Getting fit, it solves a lot of mental problems, feelings problems, and physical problems as well. It's all connected. I feel confident enough to tell you about my struggles and my journey and what I'm going through. I signed up for 6 months coaching, and I hope that you would join me on my journey to also get into better shape so that I can learn from you, so that I can teach you. And anybody could do this. I'm not special. I'm 41 and a half, Asian male in the United States, 5'6" and a half. If I could do it, you could do it. And know you can do it. Believe you can do it. Because I trained people before and they lost 20 and 30 pounds following basic protocols. Even if you didn't have a gym membership, it's still possible. I want you guys to read books, self-development books, so that you're more aware of different ways of thinking and to be more open. Have an open mind and open heart to change. I also say morning affirmations because I think that it helps me with the reprogramming and the gratitude. Make sure you guys wake up early. And in order to wake up early, you have to go to sleep early. Make sure you're making things easy on yourself. If you need pills, prescription or melatonin, get them. Put them in a case next to your bed. Lay out your clothes the next day so that when you're just waking up, it's automatic. You're not even going to think about it. You're not going to feel like it's hard. You're going to feel like it's normal, it's easy, it's routine. Make sure you have things in your car, such as your gloves, extra shirts, clothes, your shoes, your belt, those kinds of things. Your work backpack is packed already. It has all of your equipment in it, so you're ready for the day. Also for food, get the Lose It app or the MyFitnessPal app. Make sure you plan out your meals the day before. Meal prep them the day before so that you have them available, because I know when I'm hungry, I'm going to want a snack and then I'm going to eat extra food. It's better to eat similar kinds of foods every single day because it makes tracking easier. You could see progress and you can weigh yourself every day or once a week. Some people say you can go to the gym 4 days a week. I don't think so, personally. It depends on how fast you want to see results on. I'm not that patient. That's why I went twice a day for every day, essentially. Even though I had to wash a car at 1:30 in the morning, I still went to the gym by 5:20 because it's my routine. I could have easily slept in, It would have made me feel lazy though. And I don't want to feel lazy. I want to feel empowered. I want to feel like the man, essentially. Also, being out of shape, it made me feel embarrassed because before, when I was younger, I was in good shape. And then I fell off, and then now I'm back on it. Because all of my friends, they knew me as the fit guy. And when I wasn't fit, I felt off. I felt depressed. I felt weak, ashamed of myself. I felt like deleting because I was aimless. And I just want you guys to know that there's a better way of living. You can get out of your depression or your negative thoughts. It will take time. Be patient and forgive yourself. Be your biggest cheerleader. Be your friend. Learn how to speak to yourself with kindness, compassion, and understanding. And know that you could do it. I'll check you guys another time. Please comment down below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what hit the hardest. I'll check you guys another time. Peace.